Alright, so now I gotta replace one of these toilet seat here because the toilet is a little shifty and the missus wants me to handle that. So I went ahead and tried to undo these, but I realized that they were so rusted, and just using regular screwdrivers and pliers wasn't going to work. So I had to get badass on this and pull out my John Wick and I'm gonna drill, lack of a better term, John Wick this mo. Alright, so after breaking several drill bits on this damn bolt that's rusted, just pissed me the hell off, so I had to run to Home Depot, get some bad boy stuff. You see that? It's a Sawzall blade. Time to play. You wanna play? Messing with the wrong guy. That's all I'm saying. Hook this up real quick. You wanna mess around? Let me mess around. Play, bad boy. So you wanna play, huh? That's what happened. That's what happened to you. Yeah. All rusted, man. The new stuff comes in plastic bolts, so it will never rust, but this piece of crap. 2 seconds and bad boy. You wanna mess around.